Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage in the oven full guide. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees F and line a sheet pan. Trim the cabbage, cut into wedges, and pat dry. Drizzle with olive oil and season with salt and pepper, making sure to coat each wedge. Arrange wedges cut side down and leave space between pieces for proper caramelization. Brush each cabbage wedge with oil and press seasonings into the surface so they adhere during roasting. Try a mixture of garlic powder, smoked paprika, and a pinch of sugar to enhance caramelization. For a tangy lift, add a few drops of vinegar before serving or grate a little Parmesan over hot wedges. These small touches turn simple roasted cabbage into a satisfying side that pairs well with many mains. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you cook, and it fits in most cup holders. It even survives counter splashes. I've linked it and other kitchen finds in the description so you can check them out. Now let's get back to the video. Place the tray in the oven and roast the cabbage at 425 degrees F for 20 to 30 minutes, checking at 20 minutes for desired char. If you prefer even color, flip each wedge once about halfway through cooking. Thicker wedges need more time, thinner pieces will cook faster. Pull the tray when centers are tender and edges are caramelized, then rest briefly before serving to let flavors concentrate and juices redistribute.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.